Okay, I'll be just shown that this error message occur on this system, or this non-system disk or disk error. Replace and strike any key when ready. Okay, I will try to resolve this. Okay, I press Control Delete, Control or Delete. Just press Escape so that it will take you to Start of menu. Go to Boot menu. Okay, the hard disk is there. I try starting with the hard disk SATA 0. Press OK. This thing is supposed to resolve this. If it does not resolve it, that means there's a physical move of this hard disk. So let's watch. We have waited for this time. It means the hard disk must have shifted physically. Okay, so it's still not dictating the hard disk. It's searching for the hard disk. So we shut down the system and have to physically open the system to check for the hard disk. So we're going to shut down the system. So I open the system. Let me open it and okay. Well, let me remove the power button. Let's check the physical connections. Okay. Checked everything. Everything seems okay on this this is the G2 system. I close it back. So I turn on the system again. Just press. Okay, the system is okay. So at times a physical shift on the hard disk connector might cause the system to show non-system disk. The system is okay. The system is okay.